Wrap your teeth with foil and you will not believe the results. Tips for having whiter teeth. Teeth help us chew, talk and smile, but if we do not take good care of them, they can ruin our face. We give you the best tips on how to keep them healthy and shiny. Although darkening the teeth is a natural process from which nobody is freed, we all like to have white teeth. And no wonder, both men and women are more attracted to people with whiter teeth. The teeth of each person are, in origin, a different color and eventually all dentures are getting darker, but there are elements that accelerate the process. Dr. Anna Martin Castano, from the Department of Aesthetic and Restorative Dentistry of Clínicas SETA speaks to us, who will give us all the tricks to get a celebrity smile. 1. Consume drinks such as tea, coffee or red wine, and other foods with a high colorant content. Brush immediately after eating or drinking dark-colored foods, and use a good homemade tooth whitener or go to the dentist. Eat detergent foods. Foods that are firm or crisp consist of helping to clean the teeth while chewing, such as apples, carrots, etc. 2. Tobacco. Participate and win a lot of products to care for your skin. Every skin has a story, tell us yours. Tobacco gradually and significantly darkens the teeth, contributing directly to the development of diseases of the mouth such as gingivitis and periodontitis, and causing smokers very unpleasant and visible problems. To avoid the appearance of these stains, brush the teeth after each meal for at least 3 minutes scrupulously. Hygiene is key to maintaining a beautiful white smile. Gargle with apple cider vinegar. Do it in the morning, then brush as usual. Vinegar helps remove blemishes, whiten teeth and eliminate bacteria from the tongue and gums. 3. Cavities, fillings and tartar. Make an annual visit to the dentist to do a review and avoid the appearance of cavities or other oral problems. It is also recommended to perform a tartrectomy or dental hygiene every 6-12 months. Expert advice? Clean your tongue. Use a tongue scraper every morning to remove the plaque that forms on it at night. Change your toothbrush, otherwise, all you will achieve is to transfer bacteria to your mouth. 4. Strokes. If you give a strong blow to the teeth, it can affect the nerves and blood vessels, which causes the tooth to take on a dark tone over time. In case of doubt, in case of an accident, go to the dentist. It can help to conceal small color defects through aesthetic materials. In addition, there is the technique of internal bleaching only for teeth without nerve. 5. Medications. Some medications, such as tetracycline, can promote the formation of blemishes on the teeth. To hide them, try a simple lipstick. How? Choose a medium coral or light red color. These shades make the teeth look whiter, while lighter shades of lipstick tend to highlight the yellowing of the teeth. What options do I have to whiten my teeth? Nowadays they offer a great variety of products that promise to whiten our teeth, but do they work? Dentifrices and other whitening products contain the same active ingredient, hydrogen peroxide, a chemical used throughout the industry as a bleach, and also used by dentists in their bleaching treatments. What varies markedly between one product and another is the concentration of this. These are the most common. Toothpastes. Toothpastes often contain between 1% and 1.5% hydrogen peroxide. This amount is sufficient to clean the superficial stains of the enamel, but it does not help against the dirt that is accumulating inside the teeth. Bleaching gels and strips. Bleaching gels and strips that can be found in any pharmacy are more powerful than dentifrices, and also more expensive. Its concentration of hydrogen peroxide is between 6% and 10%. Its effect is more powerful, but if the dirt is deeper, it will not be able to eliminate it. You also have to remember that neither toothpastes, gels, nor strips work on the fillings. Due to their greater efficiency, we must be careful when using them if we want the result to be uniform. Whitening in the dental clinic. All dental clinics offer cosmetic treatments for whitening the teeth, much more effective than those previously mentioned. There are several main methods that are usually combined.
you.